Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Monday, so that means FAANGs are on the agenda again. Meta Platforms outperformed many of its peers within the technology and growth universe. The owner of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram avoided the sharp sell-off in equities seen on Thursday last week. A move that saw the Nasdaq 100 close down by 5.1%. Meta stock was down by 6.77% in Thursday's trade, however, having posted combined gains of 11% in the previous three sessions. The social media giant managed to remain up over the week as a whole. Meta Platforms is to slow its hiring among mid to senior level positions at the company. The move comes after an evaluation of the company's expenses. Meta's headcount has grown by 28% over the last year and stands at some 77,800 full-time staff. The company hired more staff in Q1 2022 than it did over the whole of 2021, and it seems it now needs to play catch-up. Amazon made new two-year lows in last week's sell-off, printing at $2,301.45 a share. Over the last week, the stock is lower by 19.5% thanks to a combination of disappointing earnings and a sharp change in investor sentiment toward growth stocks and, in particular, those which appear to have stopped growing. Year-to-date losses in the stock of the e-commerce and cloud computing giant now total more than 30%, and the shares have posted 14 consecutive one-month lows and have lost more than $1,000 in value since the start of the trading year. Amazon is also experiencing losses in personnel turnover among staff. At its Prime Air drone division, it is said to be running at 30% according to reports from the Insider website. The turnover rate is even higher among drone testers, according to Insider, which cited internal documents from Amazon that suggest that as many as 70% of testing staff have left the company, thanks to a combination of cultural classes and intense competition for key staff among competitors. Apple remains the world's largest company, but even it wasn't immune to last week's sell-off, falling by 4.2% thanks to largely a loss of 5.57% in Thursday's sharp market correction. There may be more trouble ahead as the European Commission released a statement accusing Apple of abusing its power in the smartphone payments market, one of the areas where Apple operates, a so-called walled garden. The European Union is concerned about Apple Pay and the fact that iPhone users are not able to use alternative wallets and payment solutions on their devices. At the moment, the Commission's findings are preliminary. However, should they be referred for a full investigation which finds against Apple, then the tech firm could face fines of up to 10% of its global turnover. Alphabet Inc. has been on the acquisition trail this week, buying micro-LED display maker Raxium, who have spent the last 5 years developing miniaturized and cost-effective display technology, which Google wants to use in its hardware division. Neither Google or its parent, Alphabet, disclosed any financial details about the transaction, however.